Wake up, it's another day to raise up my odds. Of course I'm on my way up, and with great fans it gets easier to stay up. And great fans coming easier than layups. Yeah, I'm learning never just to go with the path that you give it. And it's what happens when you trade it for passionate living. The top is close, I can see it in the distance. Give me all of your support and I swear I won't forget it. This is new wave rap, the next generation. Hands to the sky, it's a fucking celebration. Now let's make a toast to the kings that are not here, cause y'all the reason that we got here. But spent my whole damn life trying to right my wrongs, and last 12 months trying to write these songs. Made some mistakes but they so far gone, and so it's pedal to the metal and I won't accept bronze. Nothing better. This one's for the people that defeated the odds. We give it up to the end. March on, it's nothing better. Cause this is just the start, we've only just begun. It was us against the world, but I'm feeling like we won, it's nothing better. Let's make a toast to the good times with good people and cheap wine, where we never count flaws, we only count dreams, and we plot our next move while them haters count sheep. I've been on my next drop now.
With death inside my head. Yeah, that note you found, I didn't mean it. Just wish I had a better sense of meaning. Never meant to let you down. I've been down and out, racing thoughts, I had to drown them out. Fuck, never giving in, I swear to God. No matter how many times I pray to a God I don't believe in, just to see if I would never wake up, but he called my bluff.
Try to free my mind, I don't know what's right. Wasting all the time, trying to find the line. Try to free my mind.
Go. Who's the top of in that sense?
Sound from my way out of the cell now.
Be free. I just wanted you to know.
Swiss only let the beat rock. For all my Southside niggas that know me best, I feel like me and Taylor might.
I've loved you better than your own kid.
I'm the type of dude who is headed for this. I'm the type of dude cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous. I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud.
Давай. Масло вези. Давай, рады. Босай давай. Билешсің давай. Yukarı şapla.
I like brush shit. Got my mans all around me, I'm my brush shit. I got like a baby, like I'm 6. Goofy niggas really think I'm fucking
Баяу. Эй, көтер алмайсың деді. Мен көтерсей, көтеретін аян. Астына тағы бір адам көтерді. Ойда оршайда.
You just can't be like me.
Жатырған да.
See me on the beat.
Big change and dress fancy. Эй, давай, еще раз. Сюда видео отырамыз, сол кезде әкеліп. Аяқ болсын. Давай. Опа. Everybody want to be like me. Everybody want
Everybody wanna be like
Ayrat
Mom.
mı?
Everybody got fake drugs and love to take drugs. Just you do whatever you want, huh? Just I'm not ignorant and don't give a fuck. And everybody wanna be like Ye.
Yeah, man, Korash beat three to this. Task. Task. Evet. Yende. Bir kuvat kasa tırmanlar sıkışsak beni. Давай, давай. Ulan! Ulan! Все, бастан, кет, жүр. Давай, хайуан, брат. Саш.
Аян мырза, тұрыңызшы.
Давай, Аян, стойка.
California to the Bay from LA, San Diego, back up. Yo, we run things. Can't stop we. Night Lovell, there. When the lights stay burning, 30 mil a week, damn shit, I stay burning. Never take a break, 20 bitches on the time cash, never stay buried. Got my eyes low, both eyes low. Walking in snow, bitch, race on the cliff. Yo, I got a big up man like Night Lovell. Yo, straight to the top, I never fell. See me? Yeah, I got a big up Renegade. Yo, Renegade, you know. Yo, wait till this thing man a joker. That's that renegade, that nigga renegade. Taking up the step on my back, shit that nigga made. Playing with the back from the top, nigga way. Place down to the back, no. My nigga renegade, no chili. One time gone, next time for
Gasper, what the hell you doing?
I just had to do it on my own shit. I just had to do it on some cold shit. I just got these bitches in my cold grip. Know you see me looking like a ghost bitch. Ay, like a ghost bitch. I just seen them looking when I wrote it. Ay, on some whole shit. I just said it once and then that whole dip. Young Jack in a backhoe. I've been in the cut looking spooky in a black coat. And she fucking with my test though. I don't know her name, but I just know I'm finna clap though. Ay, look, don't know her. I'm just finna glow October. Ay, don't know her. Boy, I'm finna glow October. Looking, I've been getting bands, no Green Day. I've been fucking geeked off a beam for a week straight. Gas 9-3, hit a team play. Catch me in the graveyard, posted where the fiends stay. Ay, and I'm up in the guts, no peace. Got these bitches jumping out a t-shirt. And I just got a chain for my bro. And I'm finna get my own, but my brothers gotta eat first. Look, and I don't text hoes. I'll just send them out like strep throat. And I don't even really wanna feel it. Shouldn't got me, told me kill him. I said let me grab my death note. Ay, don't know her. Boy, I'm finna glow October. Look, don't know her. Boy, I'm finna glow October.
October, it's a nightmare. Feel like Jack, I'm a king, you're a poser. Fuck out the way, if you see me move over. If you can't hear me, little bitch, move closer. Yeah, and you can't see me, I'm a ghost. Letting smoke in my throat, can't feel my face, I'm about to choke. I've been on the road, fucking pressure, I won't float. I've been chillin' with gas, we're on winter hill and it's cold. I don't listen for shit, I don't never do what I'm told. That's why these labels are tight, cause I just can't be controlled. I got chains on my body,
Let me rot decompose. Bloody ice on my wrist like Sub-Zero froze. Bitch.